The heads-up display, or HUD for short, is the transparent screen which provides information without needing to look away. The thrust indicator shows how much thrust your ship is producing. You can only go beyond 85% using afterburner. Lower the limit for more delicate, slower manoeuvres. The velocity indicator shows how fast you are going. The centre number is your current speed. The arrow pointing left shows your current speed in relation to your max speed. The square is your speed limiter and can be moved up or down. The blue line is your Safe Combat Manoeuvring Speed, or SCM. It's used for manoeuvring and combat. The red line is your high speed. You become fast, but manoeuvring is poor. This makes it bad for combat. You can accelerate until you reach your set speed, or use cruise control. Your total velocity indicator is the two arrows pointing at each other. This shows the true direction of your ship. The acceleration indicator shows which directions and to what degree thrust is being used to accelerate the ship. The G-force indicator shows how many G's your character is pulling in the cockpit and from which direction. G-safe is a toggled limiter, reducing manoeuvrability to prevent you from blacking out. The altitude meter shows how high you are from a planet's surface. Your orientation is displayed as an angle in degrees from the planet's surface. Negative means you are angled towards the planet. The compass is a 360-degree directional bearing for the current planet. The radar, you are in the centre. It shows positions of targets and objects around you. Red is bad, white is neutral, blue is friendly. Ship emissions. Infrared is the amount of heat your ship puts out. Your cross-section is affected by the size of your ship, visibility and surroundings such as asteroids and chaff. Electromagnetic is your ship's energy output, and this is affected by the amount of power your ship is currently using. Emissions affect how easily you are detected and how easily enemy missiles can lock and follow you. The crosshair. This is where your weapons will shoot. Some ships have gimbals which alter the way your crosshair works. Fixed weapons or gimbal lock mode means weapons will fire directly in the centre of the crosshair. Standard gimbal mode allows crosshairs to be moved by your mouse for improved shooting angles. And gimbal assist will include a dotted circle around your crosshair. Gimbaled weapons will auto-aim within this circle. The fuel indicator. Hydrogen fuel is used for thrust and flying around. Quantum fuel is for quantum jumping between locations. Weapons loadout. This shows your available weapons to shoot with. The first bar is your ammunition, or for energy weapons, the capacitor before needing recharge. The second bar is heat generation. Max it out, the weapon will stop and could be damaged. Press middle mouse to enter missile operator mode. Missile operator mode shows missiles and the number to be fired. Press G to increase the number to be fired and right click to switch between missile types. Missiles have a minimum and a maximum range. Press middle mouse again to switch back to weapons. Ship indicators. VTOL is hover mode. Coupled is your engine couplings. In coupled mode, when there's no input to thrust, the ship will attempt to come to a halt. In decoupled mode, when there's no input to thrust, the ship will continue to move in the direction it's currently moving and is affected by gravity. ESP is enhanced stick precision. This makes aiming fixed weapons easier when on. Gear brings your landing gear up or down. Defense indicators. Lock. This lights up if someone has a missile lock on you. Decoy. Use if you have a heat-seeking missile coming after you. They're shown by the flame icon. Noise. Use this to stop cross-section and EM missiles or reduce enemy targeting on you. The line above noise and decoy is the delay before next use. Stagger. You can change fire mode to staggered fire for a consistent stream of shots. We hope you found this useful. Come check us out.